One of the best parts of our business is we're celebrating something special every day. So today I'm going to get with the dating expert Jay and talk about romantic island hopping tours. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with dating expert Jay.
I'm not sure I like this setup. I feel a bit
very
weird.
Comfortable actually.
Do you?
Yeah, this is quite nice.
I feel like we should be telling those dad jokes that those guys do on the old WhatsAppy shorts thing. What they're called, I don't know. Anyway, do you want to hear a dad joke?
No.
What do you call a lesbian dinosaur?
Oh gosh, let's not go down that line. Anyway, so Jay, as you're the dating expert, you're on all the apps. I've seen you on OnlyFans and everything. That's
I'm on Grindr, right? Yeah, I'm on Grindr. Say ooh.
I don't know what that is.
It's a great app to be on.
Get the
what are you doing there?
It over the...
Sometimes that happens, Sean. Yes, it's probably the right video for this.
Anyway, so...
no, Sean, we're doing a video about the most romantic tours because we do get a lot of requests for couples.
Actually, you see it quite a lot. We do a lot of proposals.
Yes, we do proposals, we do...
anniversaries,
birthdays, special events.
You know what we have today downstairs?
No, I don't.
We have a post-wedding celebration, and then get married on the beach this morning and then come on a boat in the afternoon.
What, just the two of them or the whole group?
No, the whole group.
We're not talking about that, we're talking about romantic.
Yeah, I know, but I was just letting you know what's going on.
Fine.
You never know what's going on. All you care about right now is your dog.
I did walk in the office and say, what's happening with this tour today? I saw the marshmallows downstairs for breakfast.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Sean spent some money and he's got a really cool breakfast now.
Yes.
You get marshmallows.
Yeah.
And more. Anyway.
Can I let you know that as I was walking out to do this video, I stepped on a wet patch. I feel like maybe Mischief had an accident.
No, Mischief did not have an accident, but she is playing in the water. Anyway, look, talk about romantic tours. So, we get a lot of requests for people...
Honestly, two guys doing a romantic tour video. How's this going to work?
Why not, mate? Why not?
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart, cause they're not.
Oh well, look. Can we just make a stop? I'm married for 18 years. Romance is kind of not in my.
I'm married for 18
anymore.
years. What? So
you're
good.
A divorced single dad.
Well done. You're married for 18 years. Is that a badge of honour?
No, and you're a divorced single dad. What do you know about romance?
Nothing at all. But that's
your idea of romance is cooking dinner for your kids at night, having a few beers, and go to bed at 8 o'clock.
That's lovely. That sounds like a great night.
Yes.
Does. Anyway,
this makes great sense.
Sean, stop.
Did you ask ChatGPT to design this for you?
No, I didn't. Sean, stop. Let's just do this video properly.
Okay.
Come on. So, we get a lot of requests for people that want to go.
What do you think was more romantic?
What?
Sunrise or sunset?
It's good. Oh, good question. Comment below what you think's more romantic, sunrise or sunset.
Well, I really feel like if we're going to talk about romantic tours, it needs to be one of those two. Sunrise on a quiet beach as it's coming up, maybe Koh Phi, Kai, or even, out towards Russia as the sun was rising. That is very beautiful.
Like a morning glory tour.
Yes, or you could do sunset where you're at the similar kind of locations as the sun comes down.
The similar locations?
Similar.
Oh, similar.
Yes.
Okay. Right, well that's ruined the whole video, so I don't know. What one do you want to do? I think both. Some people like sunrise, some people like sunset.
And a lot of our guests, they request to do like a nice picnic lunch on board for a romantic kind of beach, or a nice bottle of champagne.
So what we're saying...
And if you do tell our customer service team, our team can organize...
Shut up, Tiger Marine!
Our team can organise flowers and beach mats and all this kind of beautiful stuff.
That was the whole idea about this video. You've just covered it all in about 2 seconds and jibber-jabbered about my bad dating ability.
Well, I feel like maybe I have better advice to give than you.
So what we're saying, if you're a couple and you want to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, post-wedding, pre-wedding, divorce, it doesn't matter. Bar mitzvah. I don't know. It doesn't matter what you have.
Have you ever had a romantic divorce?
It wasn't very romantic, no to be fair.
I'm not certain that would fit in the
category. The lawyer and the bank manager, they had probably a great time. They really did have a great time. Anyway, stop talking about divorce, Sean. This is romantic stuff.
Anyway, so I think the thing that I can tell you is that to make a tour romantic, it's not about the destination.
It's about the people you're with, the one you love.
You could choose to do the Phi Phi Island tour, you could choose to do the Raya Island tour, you could choose to do the Hong Karabi tour, you could choose to do the bioluminescence tour. All of these tours we can craft to be a romantic tour for you by designing the tour to go to destinations where there's not a lot of people, by adding in a nice picnic, I think like a picnic lunch or even just something picnic style at dinner. Or we could even do a nice sunset barbecue on Koh Rang. All of these are additions that we can add into...
I wouldn't do Koh Rang.
all of these are additions that we can add into a tour to really kind of craft it. So what I would suggest is that when you're inquiring with us, or you're booking with us, or post-booking you're talking to the customer service team, talk to us about little things that we can do on tour to add that little bit of pizzazz? Is that the right word? Pizzazz?
All right, jazz hands. Where did you go?
Don't put that in.
No, leave that in. It's fine. Do your jazz hands again then. Look in.
Twice in a row.
Stop it. Can I just go back to the Koh Rang thing? Koh Rang is lovely, but I think there's better. I think Koh Phair. I was on Koh Phair the other day.
I really love Koh Phair.
And watching the sunset, because Koh Phair, there's
when you
nothing
were there, it wasn't very romantic. You were with 115 people.
I was with
on a
115
team-building
people,
exercise.
which could have been very romantic, depending on what you're into.
What did he say?
But it is a beautiful location, and
this
also
is an R-rated YouTube video.
No, it's not.
Now.
Lamb Hard is quite nice when there's no one there as well, because especially at the right tide time, that's beautiful as a proposal area.
Know, Jay, I've been going out lately, and the people that I go out with on the boat like to come back at sunset, and I really do like the slow cruise into the pier. No island or anything, just a slow cruise into the pier, watching the sun go down. And like our speedboats, they can go fast, but
yes, they can.
I much prefer to come in at like 4 or 5 knots and just sit there at the front of the boat, relax, and
just idle in gently.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice just hearing. It's actually nice hearing just the water slap against the side of the boat on a slow thing. And a bit of slappy slap slap.
You can turn the music on and create some ambience about it.
Some nice music, romantic music. But what romantic music would you put on? Lionel Richie?
Oh gosh,
that's gone old school.
I have no idea.
Really? What's your romantic go-to song for you and your missus? Do you not have one?
No. I'm a horrible at romance.
Did you have music?
How busy I am?
Did you have music at your wedding?
You know what romance?
Did you have a real wedding?
Do you know what romance is? My phone beeping.
Exactly. Sean loves his WhatsApp.
My wife would love me if I could take 15 minutes without the phone.
Bless she would. No, but then again, no, I was going to say something, but I'm not going to say it now. You're probably better not.
Watch this.
Yeah, she's going to watch this.
You're going to get in a lot of trouble.
No, I'm not, because I love Lisa so much. She's amazing. What we're saying is, if you want to create your beautiful romantic tour, we can take any of our tours and we can create them into a romantic. So if you want flowers on the boat, if you want to do something else, you want chocolates, Ferrero Rocher. Everyone loves Ferrero Rocher.
You want champagne.
Yeah, champagne. Oh, I'm not a big champagne fan.
We did a proposal last time where we had pre-organised with the restaurant to prepare a nice celebration cake once she said yes. Thank goodness she said yes. Actually,
very nice.
Actually,
if what are you doing? Why are you?
If you want to do a proposal, you should do it on our boats. We've never had a no.
Everyone's
always said yes.
I'll invite some people and see what happens. Yeah. I don't have much luck at the moment. Yeah. But what we're saying is, we can create anything for you on your romantic tour.
You have mischief.
What are you doing? Touching me so much today.
You don't need a date anymore. You've got mischief.
No, that's wrong.
Mischief is so cute.
Mischief is cute. She's tied up at the moment.
And unconditional love.
It is unconditional love. Yeah. If you want unconditional love, get a dog.
Don't go on a romantic date.
But if you want a romantic tour, come to 5 Star Marine. And that's a good way to wrap it up. What we can create for you. Say thanks, Sean.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.